Welcome back to the Ashok Educational Groups. First year PUC Geology reduced syllabus. 30% of the syllabus have been reduced for 2020 and 21. So we shall see a reduced syllabus. From geology, retained one will come for the exam, deleted one won't come. Now we shall see retained portion in geology. Retained one from unit first. From unit first, unit 1, chapter 1. General geology, 4 points are there. Definition, introduction to geology, branches of geology and relation with other science, and scope and significance. And the second chapter, universe and solar system, universe, galaxy, Milky Way, stars and planets, solar system, intergroup of planets, outer group of planets, sun, earth, meteoroids and comets. Third point, origin of earth, Big Bang theory, earth sphere, geosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere. Third chapter, parameters of the earth, shape of earth, flat, oblate, spheroid, elliptical and geoidal. Circumference, diameter, polar and equatorial, and destiny of the earth. Fourth chapter, earth motion, rotation, revolution, 2 motions. In second unit, fifth chapter, zones of the earth, atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, biosphere. In unit third, sixth chapter, geological process. In geological process, endogenous and exogenous. We shall see exogenous process. So for exogenous process there, in 2 points are the exogenous process, agents, weathering types and products of the weathering, wind. Fourth point, a river, geological action, erosion. In fourth part, 7th chapter, endogenous process, earthquake and volcano. Fifth part, 8th chapter, mineralogy. So introduction, definition of minerals, physical properties, study of my mineral groups, describing is a physical properties, chemical composition, crystal system, occurrence and use of quartz, feldspar, mica, ore, metallic and non-metallic. 9th chapter, crystallography. So definition of crystallography, morphology of crystal, interfacial lead, its measurements, symmetry characters and general characterization of normal class systems. In 7th part, 11th chapter, role of Indian organizations or institutions in or institutes in geology. So these are Indian geological institutions. DMD, Department of Mines and Geology. MML, Mysore Minerals Limited. GSI, Geological Survey of India. ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Commission or Commission. NMDC, National Mineral Development Corporation. NGRI, National Geophysical Research Institute. NRSC, National Remote Sensing Center. NIO, National Institute of Oceanography. And last one, NIH, National Institute of Hydrology. So these are retained portion. Ante up to 11th chapter, retained portion will come for the exam. So deleted one, geology, deleted portions, these won't come for the exam. From third unit, 6th chapter, glaciers. In glaciers, 5th point, glaciers, introduction, types of glaciers. Those are valley, pediment, continental, sheet glaciers, movement of glaciers, erosion, abrasion, frost wedding, plucking and quarrying, and erosional features. Hanging valley, U-shaped valley, cirque, on and arete. Transportation, deposition, moraines, lateral, medial ground and terminal, and drum in sand suckers. And sixth point, underground water. Hydrological process, prosperity and permeability zones, aerations, saturation, water table, aquifers, walls and spring, cartography, satellite, stalagmite. In 7th chapter, earthquake classification based on depthotocus, amplitude and intensity, Richter scale, seismograph, origin of earthquakes, tectonic and non-tectonic. In 8th chapter, 4th point, specific gravity by Oehlers steel wired balance. 9th chapter, 5th point, orthorhombic, monoclinic and triclinic. 10th chapter, 10th chapter, environmental geology, hazards, natural and anthropogenic, pollution, air, water, soil. So in 6th chapter, 5th point, glaciers, 6th point, underground water, 7th point, earthquake. In 8th chapter, 4th point, specific gravity by Oehlers steel yard balance. 9th chapter, 5th point, orthorhombic, monoclinic and triclinic. 10th chapter, environmental geology. So these are deleted portions, will not come for the exam for this year. This is about geology. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more notifications.